Hi, morning everyone. Welcome to another edition of Meow's Depot Tales, and welcome to the lovely little village of Creighton down here in KZN in the mountains. The reason why we're speaking from Creighton is that we were the winning bidder of a tender put out some time ago by the municipality for the repairs to a steam locomotive and 10 coaches. Now, the Dr. and Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma municipality is the owner of a GMAM Garrett, which was the only running Garrett in the country, GMAM, and which will now still be the only running GMAM in the country. The coaches, some of them built by Rovos Rail, up there on the right next to the platform, with magnificent interiors, of course, and then of course we have some steel-bodied coaches here, which are lounge cars, and then this very first coach you see in front of you is a vintage, antique, beautiful Suburban. Not sure of the date, the guys talk around about 1928 or so, but they are beautiful coaches, and all of them we are getting back on the road. I've got a team here doing liftings, repairs, putting in new ferrobessus liners, new brake blocks, etc., vacuum pipes, the whole toot, so they'll get that done. Beautiful station, Creighton, must admit, dates back to turn of the century, as I understand. The water bottles, and of course here we are going into the steam shed where we have got the Garrett inside, and I've got a team working on the Garrett. Just a quick diversion, this magnificent water tower built in 1923 by Stothert and Pitt Engineering Works in Bath, England, still in full operation. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the team comprising of Gert, the boys, and myself, Spicky and everybody. And I've got young Hawken here, also from KZN. He's also chipped in and come to help. We've done major repairs on this locomotive. Of course, the undercarriage needed a lot of work done to it. Full brake rebuild, vacuum pan cylinders, a lot of boiler work needed to take place, which we've conducted. Brick arch, smoke box repairs, stay repairs. The boiler was in pretty good condition, I must admit, but had been neglected over the years. But we've done that. We've put insulation on the boiler now. We've got the lagging back together, except for the one sheet you see in front of you. No easy job for those ex-railway men out there. You know what it's like getting lagging on a boiler of a loco, and hopefully we will be commissioning her in a week or so's time. All going well, should be by next week, Thursday, Friday sometime. We'll keep you posted, and like and subscribe, and we'll chat again on our next Depot Tales.